Good evening. I'm Chanel, Vehicle Title Expert. Thank you for tuning in and thank you so much in advance for subscribing. So, tonight I will continue with the series Tow Lien Challenges. And in tonight's segment, I will talk about illegal tows. Very briefly, I will talk about what an illegal tow is, and then I will give examples of illegal tows and how you can avoid becoming a victim of these examples. So, very briefly, an illegal tow is a tow in which, number one, the consumer is being charged more than what the tow company legally can charge in that jurisdiction or that state. Okay. And number two, when it comes to an illegal tow, basically your vehicle is being towed under false pretenses. Okay. So let me just go to the first example. Okay. When it comes to that tow company charging you, okay, there is a tow board, okay, in that state or jurisdiction that oversees the tow company, and they're making sure they're legit, they're legal, also making sure that the tow company is charging what they deem to be a fair price for their services or for that tow. Okay. Now, you do have some tow companies, unfortunately, that will take advantage of the consumer and they will charge more than what they're supposed to. And they will also add on, different types of, miscellaneous charges as well. So be very mindful of that. Ask some questions if you're not sure if you're being, charged fairly. And if you're still not satisfied, reach out to the tow board to get more insight on the fees that the tow company that you're dealing with is actually charging you the correct amount or fair amount of the tow. Now, moving to the second example, I'm going to really park here for a moment. When it comes to having your vehicle towed, okay, I'm not talking about you guys calling in to request a tow, okay, but I'm speaking more of the area of private parking, commercial parking, things of this nature when you are dealing with, these type of matters. Normally, the police department, the sheriff department, state troopers, etc., they have an agreement with tow companies. So in the event your vehicle is where it shouldn't be or it's been sitting too long on the highway, side of the road, etc., they will reach out to that tow company. They'll come out and get it. If you're dealing with an apartment complex, a condo, same thing, shopping center, office complex. These companies also they partner with tow companies as well. So if your vehicle is parked in the wrong spot, if your vehicle does not have plates, if your vehicle appears to be abandoned, have flat tires, is sitting on blocks, and I can go on and on. These are examples in which these private companies, as such, or apartments, will reach out to the tow company to retrieve or remove your vehicle. Okay, so these are the common reasons why your vehicle will be towed when it pertains to private or commercial property. All right, now, unfortunately, you have some tow companies that take advantage of this type of scenario. And there are some companies that will drive around in shopping centers, or office complexes and will randomly tow people's vehicles. Okay? Randomly tow the vehicle and will hold your vehicle hostage and will charge you, ridiculous fees. Okay? Without any cause. So you really want to be mindful and you want to be careful. Also, these companies will use scare tactics so that you can just hand over the money to them and not really question them because they know that you're desperate and you want your vehicle back. So you really want to be careful. If you feel that your vehicle was towed illegally, reach out to that place in question where your vehicle was parked first. Reach out to them, okay? And also reach out to law enforcement, okay? That tow company that is removing your vehicle, they got to have a legal reason Okay, and again, like I stated earlier, these private and commercial properties, they partner, and law enforcement, they partner with the tow companies. So they should be able to give you a legitimate reason why the vehicle was towed in the first place. Okay, and if they can't, then it becomes very suspicious. So before you hand over any money, okay, reach out to that property owner, and then if they're not helping you, reach out to the police to file a report and to do more, more research and investigating the issue at hand. Okay, because you don't want to just hand over money to a shady tow company, just so they can profit off of your situation. If you have any questions or need more insight when it comes to illegal tows, feel free to drop me a line below or visit me at wisdomandauthority.com. Check me out on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Click, share, and subscribe. I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.